This is a tutorial of how to use HandBrake. First, if you don't already have HandBrake, you're going to want to go to handbrake.fr and download HandBrake. That may take a few minutes to download the program and then install it. Once you've downloaded it, go ahead and open the program. Now that you've got the program open, it should pop up just like that with a source. You're going to want to choose the DVD that you've already put in your laptop or computer, and it's going to scan all of the titles. This may take a minute. Once you've got that done, you want to choose the full-length movie, the chapter that you want to rip from. I've chosen chapter 5, and it'll tell you how long that chapter is. Next, you want to name it and decide where you want to save it. I've chosen to save it on the desktop, naming it River Runs Chapter 5. Go ahead and save that. In the center portion of the program, you'll see an output settings area. Go ahead and keep the format as MP4 and we'll convert it later. Below that is all your default settings for your video, and all of that should remain the same. Click the start button at the top and you'll see at the bottom there a status bar that will continue to fill in blue as it's ripping your scene that you would like. This may take a few minutes depending on the length of the scene. As you'll see, the program is coming to an end as far as ripping your disc, and you'll get a little pop-up window that says your cocktail is done. Click OK, and then go ahead and go wherever you saved your file. I saved it on the desktop, and open it up, and it should play no problem for you. Once you've gotten your file, you can either rip another chapter or quit the program. You can also select seconds if you know the number of seconds. If it's not a complete chapter, figure out the number of seconds it is from where you want to rip to the end of where you want to rip. After you've ripped your video clip, you're going to need to convert it to something that we can use in Montreat, and that is a .mov file. I use a program called FLV Crunch. You just change your format and then drag and drop the video file into the program, and then you click Start at the bottom. This again will take a few minutes depending on the length and size of your video file. You'll notice the percentage down at the in the box there going up as it's converting. When your file is completely converted, where the percentage is, it will say done, and then you're good to go. And you can bring the file to us in Montreat, and we will be able to use it in our presentation program.